Oh, hello guys. Good evening, everyone. This is Fuel FX. I've not been reading for some time now, so I decided that we do a pre-market analysis before next week on gold. All right. So let me remove this image. All right, this is my trading view. This is my trading view from the 1 hour time frame. All right, let's go back to the daily time frame. Initially we see that even before market got here, I told us that if the price breaks below this zone, it will sell massively down, and we see the move that came down. So the only thing is, you might know the direction of the market and what will happen, but where the big deal is to wait and know the best time to enter your sell. We know that yes, it is going to sell from everything that we said and what we saw here, but there were people that still blew their account. There are traders that still lose trades even when their analysis was correct. So entry levels are very important, right? Okay, so having watched from the daily time frame, let me clear all the drawings we have here. All right, we see that from the daily time frame we have, let's start from here. We have, this is the arrow. Okay, we have this lower high. We have another lower high here. Or let's use something else. This. We have this lower high. We still have another lower high here, and the market created another lower high here. One, two, three. Now we have break of the structure, and we have a lower low. We have, this one is more like an equal low, right? And we have another lower low here. What should it tell you? It should tell us that the market is coming to retest this level, or it will come to this level from the daily time frame. But if you go to the 4-hour time frame, sorry guys, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, we are going to see that this is a clear lower low. Okay. From the 4-hour time frame, we can come and draw our trend line. Let's start from here. Draw a trend line since the market is selling, right? We know that we cannot do anything until the market touches this trend line. We cannot sell until the market touches our trend line, right? Okay, so therefore the only best place to sell will be from here, Now if we notice, we have another minor uptrend here, right? So if you want to go in on a buy, we are not doing anything until the price touches this trend line at this level, around this level. So you can take your buy from here from the 4-hour time frame. Stop loss will be here. I take twice as much, right? Still very okay. Very simple, right? But we are not done with our top-down analysis. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Let's get things clear. Now this is our 1-hour time frame. Let's take this out. Now we see that from the 1-hour time frame, we have this minor bullish move, and we know that most definitely the price is coming to retest this trend line. So this zone might not hold, this resistance here might not hold, this one might not hold, but there will be a reaction to this resistance. So price can come all the way up from here. From here, price can come all the way up from here to this place. This zone might not hold this bullish move. So it is either it comes to this place, retest it, come back to this level. Okay, let's draw the trend line. Let's draw it. Sorry for Alright, come down to this place before finally spiking up, to this place, and come down to this place. Then from here can have a spike to this trend line. Maybe we have an M pattern. Before we now have the final push. And down. Right? So that's what can happen in the market next week. Yes. But you know that to be on a safe side, the best approach to this market is either we wait for the price to retest this trend line, or we take our buy from here. Just as we've said, take our buy from here and we target twice as much, right? Or you wait for a retest of this trend line, which is still very okay. This is our major trend line from the 4-hour time frame. Wait for a retest of this trend line and sell from here around this level. Now this is the level that we know can hold it, this level. So if we sell from this level, then we are sure of getting up to 5. Right. Either from this level or from this level. right? So this is what can happen in the market, but we know that this stop loss is too much. It's way too much. So we cannot take this trade just as it is yet until confirmation to get a smaller stop loss, right? But most probably look for buys around this trend line, this trend line. Then look for sales around this trend line. And it will be clearer from 4-hour time frame, but look for buys around this trend line. Should buy from here. Once price comes back to retest this zone, take our buy to this level. Then from this level, nobody should sell, should buy. Should look for sell opportunity around this level. That's why we have to wait for the price reaction around this level. If we go to the 15 minutes time frame, you'll see the bullish structure price has already created, but it is not going to hold for long. We have something like an M pattern here. We have something like an M pattern formation here that thing can hold this market for a while, right? So we can have a push to this level, and a retest from here, and then finally up. So either ways, that's what can happen in the market. In order not to make the video long, this is the major analysis for next week. If you are looking out for a buy, it should be around this trend line, this downward trend, this one. Then if you are looking out for sales, it should be around this trend line, this major trend line. So that's it for this video, guys. Ensure you subscribe, ensure you like my videos, and expect more content. Bye.